Guys, in today's video, we're gonna be doing wind up force. Oh, hey, go back. It's not ready. Okay, force try. Okay, guys, we're finally here, but it's time to beat it. Force try. Oh, you got that epicness. Guys, that didn't count. Please, that was just a warm up. Oh, I got this new moves. Juke. Well, what am I juking with? Nobody having a private code. Oh, like there's a trampoline now. Ready? I never played this before, so I did not know that. No! That drone scared me. I thought it was my friend. So guys, I really can't believe I got 124 views. Chicken butt. Wow! You just made me say that in 2025. There's actually no way. Hey guys, not trying to be a nerd or something. Can y'all please? Hey, can you like and subscribe, little bros? No! Yeah, guys, so funny. Oh, see, that's why they call me so old. Well, that's what. Guys, can't believe to say this, but guys, this is the end of the video.
You didn't have to cut me off.